Welcome everyone, Mr. Rodney here. We have another good problem for you, so we're going to dive right in. So, a gym charges a one-time membership fee of $50 plus $20 per month. Write an equation that represents the total cost in dollars after M months. Then use your equation to find the total cost after 9 months. So, first things first, we're going to set up our equation. So, we're going to take our information piece by piece. So we're looking for the total cost, C, and they're saying it's $20 per month plus a $50 membership fee. If this looks familiar, it's because it's a line equation in slope-intercept form. So here, with this equation, we can input the information that we do have to find out the information that we don't have. So here, they want us to find out the cost after 9 months. So we're going to rewrite our equation and just input the information that we have. So we've gone there a total of 9 months. 20 times 9 is 180 plus 50. So after going there for 9 months, our cost will be $230. And that's it.